Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to calculate last 3-month average sales automatically based on the selection of drop down list. As you can see in the screen here, I have the data of products name and their quantity sold for different months. My requirement here is to calculate the last 3-month average sales based on the product name I have selected from this drop down. If I select microwave oven, here the last 3-month average of this microwave oven should be calculated. Currently I have the sales data updated till August only. In this case, last 3-month average should be the average from these three values, which is 52 units. When I update here the September month sales, for example 24, in this case the average range should automatically change. The average should be calculated from July, August and September. So the formula should be dynamic here. When I update the new month sales, the average range should auto change. And when a different product is selected, it should go to the corresponding product's value. Let's get started. First of all, we have to identify the sale reference from which we have to start calculating the average. Currently this microwave oven is selected here, so I have to start calculating the average from the June month's sales. So I have to identify this sale reference by using the formula. So click on this cell, then press equal to, use here index function, open bracket. In the array of index functions, select this data range starting from January till December till the last product. Then put a comma. In the row number, we have to identify the row number for the product name that is selected here in this cell. So use here the match function. Bracket open. In the lookup value parameter of match function, click on this product name that will be selected from the drop down list. Then put a comma. In the lookup array, select the product name range of the source data table. Put a comma. In the match type, choose exact match by double clicking. Close the match function. Then put a comma. In the column number parameter of index function, use the count a function. Open the bracket. In the value 1 of count a function, again combine index function. Open bracket. In the array of index function, take this data range starting from January to December for all the products. Put a comma. In the row number of index function, again use match. In the lookup value of match function, again select this product name which is selected from the drop down. Put a comma. In the lookup array, select this product name range of the source data table. Put a comma and double click on the exact match option. Close the match function. Then put a comma. In the column number of the index function, put 0. Close the index function. Close the count a function. Close the first index function. Now press enter. Here you see this will identify the last sale reference where there is data. For microwave oven, the last sale has 30 units and this 30 unit is displayed here. If I put here the sales of September month, for example 28 units, here you see this will identify the last sale where there is data. Now to find out the sale reference from where we have to start calculating the average, we have to double click on this formula and here in the column number of index function we have to put -2, then hit enter. Now here you see this will identify the sale reference from where we have to start calculating the average. For microwave oven, we have to start calculating average from July month because there is sales updated till September. So these 3 months number should be averaged. If I delete this September month's sales, the value changes here, which is now 109 because we have to start calculating average from June month. So this formula identifies the starting month for calculating the average. Now to identify the end month to calculate average, we have to now copy this formula. So select this formula from here, Control C, click at the end of the formula, then put here a colon symbol, then paste the formula by pressing Control V. Now just remove this -2 part, then hit enter. Here you see this formula displayed the last 3-month sales numbers for microwave oven. These 3 numbers are given here, 109, 16 and 30. If I update the September month's sales, for example 20 units, in this case here you see the values auto change. It is now giving the sales numbers of July, August and September, 16, 30, 20. Now we have to combine here the average function to calculate average. So double click on the formula. At the starting of the formula, put average, open bracket, click at the end of the formula and close the bracket, then press enter. Here you see the last 3-month average for microwave oven is 22 unit. If you check it, here you see the average is 22. If you update here the October month's sales, for example 18 units, the average automatically changes. Now the average for August, September and October is calculated. Let me check this. Here you see the average is 23 unit. If I change the product name, for example electric kettle, the average automatically changes. Let me take a refrigerator. The average auto change. It has calculated the average from June to August, that is the 25 unit. If I update here September sales for a refrigerator, the value auto change. So in this way you can calculate the last 3-month average sales dynamically based on the selection of drop down list. If you want to practice this formula, you can download this sample data file from the link given in the video description. If you want to learn more in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, you can visit my channel's video page. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.